Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is May the 8th, 2018, and I want to show you my Athena Red Flash Impatiens. Now, they made a little mistake when they sent them to me. They got the seeds mixed up with the mixed pack of Athena Impatiens. So I got a wide variety this year. They did take care of it, which, I mean, they hand pack them, so mistakes do happen, but I just wanted to show you what this one here looks like, and I think it's beautiful. So this is more of the Athena Impatiens. I just want to show you. And there is a red one, and then there's a bright, what is that? A bright, like, fluorescent orange. Now, that one's not blooming right now. So I put this basket together thinking they were all going to be the Red Flash, but you can see what the Athena Impatiens mix looks like, some of them. And I really like this one back here. It's different. Even though it's not the Red Flash, it's a different one. I like the way that the colors are like, it's like if you would have just brushed them on with like a paintbrush. And I just really like this one. So I'm probably going to be taking some cuttings from it then, so I can keep this one going, in case there wouldn't be any more in that mix. And this is a different color too. This is pretty. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.